Hi guys, welcome to the Eat Curious Development Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a hidden veg hybrid lasagna specifically aimed at primary schools. We're going to prep the veg first, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to finely dice our red peppers. Grate our courgette.
Then finely dice your onion. Grate your carrots. And then finely chop your garlic. Chop your fresh basil.
Okie dokie, right, that's all of the veg prep. So we've got red peppers, red onions, grated carrots, grated courgette, some fresh basil, and then we've got our beef mince, which is going to be 60% of the recipe of the protein, and then we've got our Eat Curious mince that has been pre-rehydrated with browning and a bit of stock.
Rehydrate your mince for at least 30 minutes with a ratio of 1 part mince to 3 parts water.
We're going to get cooking. First of all, olive oil in the pan, and we're going to sweat our vegetables till they're nice and soft. And then we're going to put our beef mince in, get that browned off. So yeah, I've just put in the Eat Curious mince with the normal mince. We're going to soften that down, get that mixed in, and then we're going to put the courgettes in last. Our courgettes, and that will just disappear into this. What we're going to do is going to mix this in and get a lid on it. Okay, now we're going to add our garlic and our seasoning, mixed herbs. I'm going to mix that, get that good mix in. Now we're going to add our tomato puree. I want to cook that out to reduce the bitterness. In goes our chopped tomatoes, salt and pepper, and fresh basil. And we're going to cook that out for about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, I think we're about there. It's really important to give this a good cook out. So the longer you cook this, the more hidden the veg will be. You can barely see that this is a blended recipe. And then I'll make the allergen-free white sauce.
Melt dairy-free spread in a pan. Add corn flour and whisk for 1 to 2 minutes. Gradually add oat milk, whisking continuously. Simmer for 3 to 7 minutes until thickened. Stir in nutritional yeast and nutmeg and season to taste.
There we go, done.
Now it's time to layer our lasagna. In a baking dish, layer meat sauce, lasagna sheets and white sauce. Repeat 3 to 4 times, finishing with white sauce. We are using gluten-free lasagna sheets to keep this free from the 14 major allergens. Top with dairy-free cheese and bake until golden. Rest for 10 minutes before serving. And there you have it, our hidden veg lasagna. Perfect for primary schools, packed with protein and fibre, and served with a colourful salad and garlic bread.